guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all well. Today's video is another organisational kind of video. If you're into these sort of videos, then I will link the previous ones I've done down below. I've organised my car and my makeup collection. They're the other ones that I have done. Today is organising my wardrobe. It is snowing outside right now. It is cosy and warm in my room, and I thought today was the best time to properly go through, sort out and organise my wardrobe. If you've seen my room tour video, you will know that I've got two wardrobes in my room. One is my boyfriend's and one is mine. My one is behind. They're exactly the same, they're just flipped the other way around. So there's a little bit of shelving in there, and my boyfriend has the same, but just the other way around because of the eaves of the roof. Not that that's really important for this video, but anyway. I went to Wilko the other day to get some storage, and I'm really happy with it. I don't know how I saved money, but I saved £14 on them. So for each wardrobe I picked up the biggest plastic box container I could possibly find that would fit in my wardrobe. This was around the like £9 mark. It's Wilko's own one, and then they also had some other ones. That was around the £9 mark. So I picked up obviously two of those, but for each wardrobe I got one. I also got two baskets that are quite deep but pretty looking to go in the top of my wardrobe, and then I got one little shallow one to kind of go next to it. I'll show you what I'm going to do with it in a second, but that's basically the storage that I got. It was supposed to come to £40, but it came to 26, which I was really happy about, because I was a bit shocked when she said 26. I thought she hadn't scanned things properly, because I thought it was going to come to a lot more than that. I think the prices for what they are really good. The prettier looking baskets that I've got, they sell them in Tesco as well, and Tesco are £5, whereas the Wilko ones that are deeper are £3, and the shallower one is £2, and you just kind of can't go wrong with that. So I'll link Wilko down below and the products individually in case you want to like look at the ones that I have. But they had loads there. I was super impressed. So when I start organising more of my room, maybe if by the end of this video I feel like I need some more, I'm definitely going back to Wilko and getting some more stuff. There was one other thing that I wanted to get for my wardrobe, which was a shoe rack, but I'm in an R in between. I want to like sort it out first and then see if I need one. So I might buy a shoe rack later on and have my shoes on the floor on the rack, but I'm not too sure how it's going to work out, because I have some things that are quite long hanging. So I'm going to organise it all first, and then if I need to do that, then I'll just buy a separate shoe rack. So inside, my wardrobe is currently looking like this. I bought a couple of lights. One's actually fallen off. I need to re-stick it back on. So I got these lights the other day. They're from Pound Store. They come with a little sensor thing that you pop on the part of the door, and when that touches that, it switches the lights off. So it's kind of like on a sensor thing. I quite like them so far. They're only £1, so can't really complain. So I need to stick a couple of more of those in here. But this is basically my wardrobe. So I have like shoes on top in that little like alcove-y bit area. Then I have one of the hanging things on the side, which you can see is a complete mess, hence why I'm sorting it all out. I just tend to keep trousers and skirts and stuff in there. Then I have a little scarf organisation thing, which I actually really like. This is from Primark. It was like £2. Then I have the Primark like velvet hangers, which again I really like. I don't normally like the feel of these, but they are so good compared to the other ones. Nothing slips off at all. And if I just move everything to the one side, you can see down here I have different shelves. I have three, well not three shelves, I have like two, but they work as like three different little sections. I'm wanting to sort of put shoes and bags on here. You can see they go quite like far back into the wall, so I want to kind of just sort out my handbags. There's not really anything I really want to throw away, but I just want to sort those all out, maybe put handbags and shoes on shelves, and then have my bigger storage under there on the bottom shelf. Underneath here I don't really have like that much. I have random stuff that's like not even to do with like wardrobe stuff, so I need to sort all of that out properly. And then I think my pretty storage is going to go on the top here with some other bits in. So that's my kind of plan. Whether it will go to plan, I have no idea. It might change what I want to do. Like I mentioned, the shoe rack I kind of want on the bottom under there, because it is a big space. It doesn't look like a big space on camera, but it is a really big space. So I think if I don't have that much stuff hanging down, it won't get in the way. I'll probably try and get myself a shoe rack. So I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just get everything out of my wardrobe, all the clothes out, and pop them on my bed, and my shoes, get all those out. So many handbags. So this is everything that was in my wardrobe. All down there. Oh, it's a lot. So this is my empty wardrobe. So I'm thinking, as I mentioned before, storage along the top, handbags and accessories like down the side, and then the bottom, the very bottom, right underneath there, things that I just don't need at the moment. And I really like the little lights on the side. Just need to fix one up there. But yeah, that's that. Next phase. I think this box is actually the perfect fit. Yes! The next thing I think I'm going to sort out is my underwear stuff, which I don't really want to be showing you. But I'm going to pop them, I think, in the storage boxes. I'm kind of like coming up with new things as I'm doing it, which I think is like the best way to be. So I might just pop these in the top of the wardrobe first, see what they look like, and then go from there. So that's what they look like in the top, which I think looks really nice. I can't fit another one even if I tried. I don't think. No, don't know whether to have them a bit further forward or not. I just need to figure out. I need somewhere for pyjamas, pants and socks. Right, I've decided what I'm going to do is leave those till the very last, see what I have left, and try now and put handbags on there, shoes on there, the ones at the front that I use all the time, maybe a couple at the bottom in that little gap there that I use all the time, so I can just easily grab them, and then start putting maybe the clothes back in here, I think, and then see what's left to go in those at the top. Right, the handbags are in. I've put my nicer ones at the front, and then I have some back there. It's a bit dark, sorry about that. Yeah, I have my nicer ones here. I've put two in my little like dust bags. I'm now popping on shoes on the second shelf. I've put the ones further back that I don't wear as much, and then I'm going to just like naturally put the ones at the front that I use, and then I have some bigger handbags which I've had to just put under here for now, because I don't think everything is going to fit otherwise. Right, everything probably looks the same now, but I've got underwear split in between those two, which I'm not obviously going to show, and then I have my pyjamas in here, which I don't mind showing. All my pyjamas are in there. I needed a pyjama clear out anyway, so I've thrown so many odd bits, tops that don't go with bottoms and stuff like that, thrown all of those away, and now I'm going to hang up the rest of my clothes and my also hanger I need to go through and sort out, and then we're pretty much done. This is all in place now, and I've just popped my box which I keep. This came one of my bags from Zara came in this box. And I don't know why, but I've just always kept it because it's quite a good box to store things in. So I keep all of like my winter stuff in there. So I've got hats, scarves, gloves, all stuff like that in there. I have sorted out this hanging system, which is quite good. It's from IKEA, and it has like the Velcro tabs on it, so you can hang stuff over it if you want to, but I don't really use those. I have one little space spare, so I might pop swimming costumes or something in there. Next step is to hang up the rest of the stuff, but it's looking definitely more organised. I'm really happy with it so far. And that is the finished wardrobe. I'm a bit annoyed that these don't look like a bit neater, like that kind of thing, but I am super happy with how it looks. It looks so much better. I've got my Ugg boots on the floor next to like the shoes that I tend to go to all the time. If I wanted to put some things behind those baskets, then I can do. I need to just fix my other little light, but that is my wardrobe organised and complete. I love it. Super happy with the Wilko stuff. I will link it down below. If you like this kind of video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below that you enjoyed it, and I will organise some more things in my room. If there's anything else that you would like me to organise that you have on your mind, then let me know. Make sure to subscribe before you leave to see more videos from me, and I will see you very soon for another video.